Hello Gala token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Gala token price update, what's going on in the Gala token, what will be the future move. We discuss in this video, guys. So, guys, keep watching this video complete. And guys, if you want this type of more news and update videos about Gala token, so I request everybody to please subscribe our channel for more update, for more news videos, guys. Right now, price of Gala is about 0.1144 USD dollar. That is right now price of Gala token. And furthermore, you can see a negative 3.50% changes occur in the Gala token, guys. So this changes is going very negative in the market, but guys, that is temporary false, I believe. And I think that very soon, you will find again Gala token again positive, guys. You can see here the market rank is about 215. You can see here 215, that is the market rank of Gala token. And other side, you can see market cap is going on negative, but you can see that is temporary falls and are due to short term investor decide to sell, so that's why the changes is negative. But you can see here, guys, still trading volume is positive 3.26%. If the trading volume is positive, that's mean, guys, that people investing more and more in the Gala token. And if the people investing more and more, so that's mean that the price of Gala token will become positive very soon. But Gala token only needs patience, only need time. It takes time, the changes will become positive, guys. So personally, guys, my viewers, my subscriber, I suggest hold. If you hold, so you will get profit. Other side, guys, if you decide to sell, so if you are a long-term investor, so you will get profit. Other side, short-term investor are in the loss, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more update and news videos.